Welcome this video. Backyard fence idea for a provide valve. Create a provide valve in your backyard. Do not have to break the bank. Whether you are look to and close your space, add a touch of style or block pay eyes those are plate of budget friendly fence. Other to consider, here are some create and affordable idea for build a backyard provide fence. Bamboo fence. Bamboo fence is an excellent size and eco friendly. Other for create a natural provide valve. You can wide bamboo roll or pallet and attach theme to any explode link fence or wood frame. Bamboo is high weight, easy to install, and give your backyard a tropical vibe. Look for silent head bamboo fence to save even more money. Prototype application for weather resisting to explode the leaf for your bamboo fence. Pallet fence. Wood pallet are versatile and can be repurposed into a stud. Privacy fence collect free or inclined tied pallet for local business and stick theme various or hormones to create a rustic design. Send the print the palette to match your backyard theme. Faber fence on a frame for lightweight and create other